Hi, this is Satiris Vasakaropoulos with the next part of our 10-day blogging bootcamp. Okay, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually add plugins to your blog. And I'm going to be showing you basically what plugins I generally use on my blog. Okay, so the first thing you do is you will go to your website.com or whatever it is, and then go to /wp-admin. Okay, and then put your username and password to log in. I'm already logged in here, so I don't actually need to log in, and that will then take you to your dashboard. Okay, so the first plugin I want to tell you about today is, firstly, it's very important today, if you have a website, if your theme isn't mobile friendly, it's very important to for your blog to be mobile friendly. Okay, so the first thing I would suggest you do is go to plugins and click on add new, and then just type in WP Smart Mobile like so, and search plugins. Okay, and then you'll see up at the top of the page when you type that in, it'll come up. Now I have just installed it, so the only difference will be there'll be an install now button, and all you do is just click install and then OK. Okay, so you'll click install and then OK, and that will be it now installed in your WordPress blog. Okay, so then when you go to your blog, the only other thing left to do will be to activate it. So you just click activate to activate it, and then you'll see here it says WP Smart. If you click on that, you can see your site title. You can upload a logo. Okay, so you could upload a logo if you want. You can pick a theme. Okay, and you can also choose your background color, header color, trim color, stuff like that. Okay, so you can do that in here as well. You can put in some custom links and stuff like that too. Okay, so that is now your blog mobile enabled. That means people will be able to view it from their iPods and tablets and iPhones and Android phones as well. Okay, so that's one out of the way. That's one I highly recommend. Another one I recommend you should also have is, if you just go to plugins once again, and click add new, and just type in WP Super pop-up, search plugins. You'll see that will come up at the top as well. Okay, so now all you do is you'll come to WP Super pop-up here, and you will click the install now button. This will say install now if you haven't already installed it. Okay, so once you've installed it, then you'll go into your plugins and you'll click activate. Okay, and once your plugin is activated, then you just click on Super Pop-up down the side, and what this actually does is this will make a pop-up page appear on your website or blog. Okay, and it will pop up on your screen. So all you do is you pick a site or a page that you want to pop up. So I picked this one here. Okay, I picked this one here. Okay, and I made it so that it's sort of the size so that would appear in the middle of the page, right? So You just make the size here. I recommend for pop-up height about 700 by 700 roughly. Okay, normally you can make it bigger or smaller, but if it's too big in some devices it won't work properly. Okay, so the only thing you need to do is just put in your URL of the page that you want to pop up here. This could be any page at all. This could be somebody else's site. It could be an affiliate product. It could be whatever you want it to be, okay? And this will then pop up automatically on your blog. So I'm going to show you now. So we'll just save changes and reset cookies. So that you'll be able to see what it looks like, and then just click on visit site. And you see the pop-up should come now in a wee second. Okay. It should just appear on the screen. That's it. Okay, so that's basically the pop-up. Okay, so that is my pop-up. And if people don't want to put their email in and they don't want whatever it is, they can just click on the outside of it like so, and it just disappears. Okay. So that's how you create a pop-up, like so. Okay, so the next plugin I want to go through with you is Twitter, Facebook, and social share plugin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this actually. Have it here. Delete. And delete this. Okay, so I'm going to go add you. Now, I couldn't actually find this for some reason in the WordPress directory, even though this is where I got it from. So I'm just going to click and upload it, and I'm going to edit a page for you where you could go and download it yourself. Okay, so let's see, social share. Okay, social share plugin. So that's it basically. So I'll just click on that and click install now. Activate plugin. Okay. And if you go to settings, TF social share, you can see here different settings. Now I don't want StumbleUpon, so I'm going to untick that, and I want Pinterest instead to show up. So I'll click Pinterest. I want it on the home page as well, and instead of above the post, I want it below the post, my social share button. Okay, and I'm also going to put my Twitter ID in, Satirus1, as I have a lot of followers. If I hadn't a lot of followers, I would put an account called AddThis, AddThis. There's got 6 million followers. It means if somebody tweets at them, a lot of people are going to see your tweet. Okay, so add this if you don't have a lot of followers, and then just save changes. Okay, that's it. Now, when you go to the site now, if you look, you'll see under each post there will be a social share button here. Okay, so people can just come along here, just click like, Google plus your stuff. Now the reason we do this, it's very good for SEO. Okay, the more people share your stuff, the higher your stuff's going to rank in the search engine. So it's you definitely want to have one of these share buttons on your site. Okay, and then you can pin it to Pinterest. That's it. That's it. Then you can pin them as well. Okay, so I'll put this plug in the list, and all you'll do is you just go and upload that the same way that I did. Okay, so that's that. The next plugin I recommend is whenever you do a post at the end of it, if there's nothing there, people will just leave your page and go somewhere else. Sometimes they'll click on another post. Most of the time, if there's nothing to do at the bottom of a post, they'll just disappear or back out and go to another site, and that's bad for your Google ranking if people are leaving your site very fast. So one of the great things about these plugins here is that it gives people more things to click on to stay in your site, that will continue to go to your site. Okay, so I'm going to on plugins, and then click add new. I've already got this one, but I'm just going to show you how to find it. And related content. Okay, so plugins. Okay, and then just click the install button again. Okay, this is all you do. Just click the install button, and that will then install your site. And then you can go into settings. You'll need to activate the plugin obviously as well. It'll ask you to activate it, so you'll activate it too. And we'll just go into plugins and just activate that. And then you go here, click on to configure your settings, just click here. Okay, and you can choose a thumbnail size. Okay, maximum number of posts to display. I choose 8, but you can choose whatever you want. Just save changes once you've got it whatever way you want it. Okay, and then you decide what pages it should display related content from. Front page, main page, single post pages. That's what I put. Okay, and bottom of post I would tick okay, and then just save changes. That's it. Now this will take a while to index, so it won't work immediately. You won't see it instantly. It will take a while, so give it an hour or two before you start seeing content in your site, okay? Don't expect it to be instant. Right, so that is Relate plugin. The next plugin I also recommend is the Easy Privacy Policy. Okay, so plugins, add new, upload. Again, I'm going to put this plugin in the list so you can find it. Right, so marketing file, WordPress plugins. This is it here, Easy Privacy Policy, and then install now. Now I don't need to actually do this because I've already installed this before, so I don't need to do it. But what you do is you activate the plugin like that. Okay, and then you go to settings, and up here it says create privacy page. Because this has already been installed, it doesn't say create privacy page, but this, when it's just been installed for the first time, on the top right here left, it'll say create a privacy page. Just click on that and it will create a privacy page, and then when you go to your website you will see that you will have a privacy page. Here it is, privacy policy. So if I click on that, you'll see it opens that page. And Google and the search engine really like a privacy policy, so definitely recommend. You can see now here comes the related searches. Okay, now you can see I picked 8. It looks a wee bit funny there. It should really be 9. So if you want to fix that, all you do is just go to Amazing Videos again and click on Relate. And if I want, you know, I can change it to re-index it. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to change this from 8 to 9 and press Save Changes. Now again, this is going to disappear for a while, probably while it re-indexes. So we'll probably find that there's nothing underneath the posts anymore. But you saw what they looked like a wee minute ago. Yeah, there's nothing under the posts at the minute while it re-indexes, okay? But you saw it a wee minute ago. Okay, so that's the Relate and the Easy Privacy Policy. Those are other ones I recommend. And another one I highly recommend. Now, obviously, this theme which I put on this blog has a SEO plugin built in. Okay, so if I go to any of my blog posts, you'll see that there's already a place for SEO. So go to posts, click on it. You'll see there is a bit here for SEO. Okay. So what you would do is you would put your title and your meta tags and all your stuff into your SEO bits here. Now obviously I'm going to add now the other SEO plugin just to show you. So the name of this plugin is called Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, okay? So all you do is again go to plugins, add new, and then type in Y-O-A-S-T. And then what you'll do at this stage is you'll just click install now. It's the first one. WordPress SEO by Yoast. Install now and then activate. Okay, and once that's activated, when you go into your posts, you will then see this. You will then see these bits underneath. Okay, so you can then fill in with your SEO title, meta descriptions, so on and so forth. Now when I made these posts, I hadn't got that theme on it, so that's why there's no SEO titles in any of these ones, because I didn't have that theme with the SEO plugin on it when I first made this site. So that's why I'm just adding them now. Okay, but I definitely recommend it to make sure you have that in all your posts. Okay, so that's it. So, I mean, that's it for me. Those are, you know, for me, those are the sort of more important plugins that you really should have in your WordPress blog, okay? I hope you find this useful. And be sure in the next few in the next few videos I'm going to be, you know, also showing you some other things that are really useful for that you need to know when you're creating when you're making a WordPress blog. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to talking to you again in the next video. If you haven't already subscribed, just click the link below this to subscribe to the next video. There will also be a link where you can get the plugins that I've spoke about, or you can actually download those plugins too. Okay, and click to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, and that's great. Talk to you again soon.